Hi class, welcome to week 9. We're almost done, hang in there. This week you'll spend most of your week writing the synthesis essay. So I wanted just to take a look at mostly Tuesday's lesson because I think the most helpful information comes on Tuesday. So on lesson 23, it gives you some directions on how to write your synthesis. And I would really suggest you spend a lot of time looking at this writing assignment section. So the synthesis section here, 3 to 4 paragraphs, what it's supposed to be, and really look at this sample section and try and write yours in a similar way. You actually don't submit this for peer review until Thursday, but you'll be writing it for the next 2 days and then peer reviewing it on Saturday. So pay a lot of attention to the instruction given here. A couple of mistakes I noticed on the last essays, like the works cited page, you're going to have to do citations a little bit differently because you'll need the author's last name and the page or paragraph number because you have 2 authors. A lot of people did their summaries incorrectly, so you want to make sure that you maybe go back and review how to write those summaries, particularly the first sentence. And then really the biggest mistake on this essay is not adding a lot of your own insight and using the 2 articles as a jumping off point. You have a solid issue question, making sure that you're speaking to the issue question and that you're explaining how the 2 summaries or the 2 articles answer the issue question and what else that makes you think of. So again, think church talk. So if I gave you a talk on how do the scriptures enrich your life, you would find 2 conference talks, but you wouldn't just give the conference talks. You would offer your own interpretation and understanding of the answer to that question with support from the 2 apostles. So it's the same thing. You're using that same format for your essay. So that's all you're doing this week, really. There's a couple of reading quizzes and smaller assignments, but for the most part, particularly Tuesday and Thursday, you're writing this big section of your essay, your introduction and your conclusion, polishing it up, peer reviewing, and getting ready to submit it a week from Tuesday. So on the 14th, I think that's the date of the lesson 26. Let me know if you have any questions. Hang in there. You're almost to the end. Thanks, class.